to fix Instagram Reels not working. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Instagram Reels not working. So if the Instagram Reels is not working on your device, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First of all, you have to update your app. Ensure you have the latest version of your Instagram installed on your device. You have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Instagram here. And if there is any update available, then you have to tap on the update option to update of your app. So once you have launched your Instagram, you can close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it to load your Instagram Reels not working. Also, you can navigate to your eye icon of your Instagram here, which is known as app info. You have to just clear the data and go for the clear tab here. So which can also help resolve issues with clearing your some box without deleting your data. Also, make sure that you are connected with the stable internet connection on your device through your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it from your App Store or Google Play Store. So you can also log out from your account, then log in back to refresh your feed. If you are using the VPN, try disabling it too. If none of these above steps work, you have to consider reaching out to the Instagram support for further assistance. With the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Instagram Reels not working on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.